So now that I scratched and slipped, I'm going to gently press. You don't want to press too hard because then you're going to mess up your form. And then I'm going to take one of the stick tools that's flat, and then I'm going to press the clay from one side and fold it over the other. And I'm going to do that all the way around the best I can. And then you see these little chunky parts here? Smooth them out with your finger. Try to make it look neat. I'm going to do the same thing with the other eye. I need to scratch it. And then a small fingertip of water. Gently press the two together. And then take a flat stick tool and blend it. And then smooth it with your finger. And then I think I'll draw the pupils of the eyes. Or maybe I could paint them on. Let me see how this looks. Yeah, I think that's okay. Now I think I'm going to make some teeth. I'm going to press it into the shape I want. I want to make little rectangles, I think, or triangles. This project is all about having fun and being creative and making something really different. Notice that my clay alien has the flat bottom, and when I lay it down on the table it sits nice and straight. So that's what you need to make sure yours has. And I think I want my teeth somewhere like that. So I'm going to scratch the bottom of both and scratch where I want it. A little bit of water for the slip. Gently press it down and blend and smooth. And I think I'll make some maybe spiky horns or something for the top of his head. I'm gonna roll this guy a little bit out like this, and then I'll shape a horn. Remember to check your sizes. This one obviously is too big. Take a little bit off. Whatever you make, it cannot be super long. I don't want it bigger than your thumb, because if it's super long, it's going to be too heavy and it's going to not stand upright. It's going to like slump over and it won't dry right, and then it will fall off in the kiln. So remember, slip and score and blend. And there's my clay alien so far. And I'm going to check to make sure it sits upright. Yep, it does. Also, you need to write your name. And if you need help with this, I will help you, because the carving does not need to be super deep. Miss T for me. And then what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to take one of these long pointy stick tools. I'm going to add texture. I'm going to give this guy a little bit of hair and fur all the way around. You got to be very gentle when you hold these, because they're greenware, which means they're not fired yet, which means they're still very fragile. And if you hold it hard or rough, you can mess up the shape of your clay sculpture. And then I'm just going to check the inside and smooth some areas out. Maybe I'll give his horns a little bit of stripes. There's my clay alien with some texture, and he can sit upright. Make sure when you clean up, you put him on your styrofoam tray and wrap the plastic bag around it. Clean your stick tools, put them in the stick tool bucket. Water bucket goes in the middle of the cart. And wash your hands and clean your area. Thank you.